Hi everyone! Do you want to know how to make a simple and easy paper rose? Well, follow along with me and I will show you how to. All you will need is a construction paper, a pair of scissors, some glue. You'll also need a pen or a pencil. To start, we will need 4 squares from our construction paper. So we're going to do some folding in order to get the shape of the squares. Fold the right corner of your paper to where it meets your left side and align the lines. Then we're going to make a diagonal crease. The cut along this edge. Okay, here's our square. Now from the square, we're going to make 4 smaller squares. And to do that, we're going to fold from top to bottom, then right to left, and make creases along those lines. Okay, so we are going to cut along these lines to get our squares. For each square, we'll be doing 3 folds. Now for the first one, we're going to make a diagonal fold. One of these squares already had it from the previous fold, so we'll just go along that line. Now we have a triangular shape. We're going to now fold these 2 corners together to get a smaller triangle. Having done that, we'll now do it again. So from each triangle, we're going to cut petals. We're going to make a loop, like a nice curve at the top right here. And cut a bit of the pointy end as well in order for the petals to fit together nicely. So we can do that first, just a little bit. And now cut a loop. Unfold all of, the petals to see what we have. See, looking nice and pretty. With the first petal, we will cut 1 out, and then with the next 3, we will increase the number of petals that we cut out by 1. So when we end up with the last one, we'll actually be cutting it in half. Okay, so we're going to use our pen or our pencil right now to make a crease on each petal in order to give it a realistic, curve. So just fold each over the pen like so. Okay, so now we're going to glue our petals together, gluing the first one to the last, except for the smallest 2. I'm going to show you what to do with those. Get some glue, put it on your first petal, spread it out a bit. And glue them together. For For these smaller two, what we're going to do is roll them together and then use some glue to keep them in place. Okay, having done that, we're going to put some glue at the tip right here. And then stick this into the next petal that's bigger right here. And here is your paper rose. Now, until the glue dries, it will be a little bit flimsy, so just set it down to dry. But afterwards, it will get firm, like this one, you know, nice and steady. And there we go, our paper roses. Thank you for watching. If you liked, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tutorials.